do you have? Do you have one or 10? Do you ever think that some people don't have any friends? Well, some people in the world don't have friends. You might think it doesn't matter. Some have them and some do not. But that's matter. A study done at the University of Cambridge showed that friends help to survive and live longer. Well, it would be awesome to live up to 100 years old. And I have my friend Faha. We have been friends since first grade. I remember the first time I met my good friend. I say Anna Mure from our school and Faha came into our life. I had a friend now. We are still friends even though we don't agree on the same things. For example, one Faha wanted to go to the school gym and I want to go to the playground. How we solve this problem? What I play? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. We drag that play if you lose at the game. We are on different classes, but that did not dampen our friendship at all. When it is results time, me and Faha meet up at the snack table and they play. I lose me only on Faha and she smiles a lot. Well, a study done at the University of Kansas showed that smile improve your health by lowering your stress level. A friend does help each other in many ways. Some people get too shy to even make friends. What would you do if you see someone all alone at the playground? Here are some things you can do. First, talk to them, get to know their feelings. Say hi, would you like me to sit by you? Second, listen to them. Listening is important because help you understand how the person is feeling. Third, show them that you care. Action will show the person that you want them to feel happy. Say, would you like me to play with you? And if they say, play with them. This should make you feel good. When I'm around my friend, I feel safe, good, and cared about. A friend is one of the nicest things you can ever have, and one of the best things you can ever be. So go over there and make some friends. I promise you will feel good in your mind and in your heart. Thank you, one and all.